Audi, there's a chance you're driving around with some of the systems I've built. I'm sure some of you are fans of African Magic. This TV station is so popular in Nigeria that one of our clients found out his staff would switch on the generator outside business hours just to watch African Magic. He discovered this with the aid of the grid meter, a web-enabled multi-source smart meter that allows you to track the power usage of your facilities via a web or mobile application. He configured the grid meter to notify him of any unscheduled generator use, and now his diesel tank, which used to last 4 weeks, lasts nearly 6. When I moved back to Nigeria, I tried to address the lack of electricity problem by selling solar power. One of the challenges we encountered was the lack of consumption data to properly dimension and to financially evaluate the viability of solar power for a particular client or use case. We searched the market for a tool that could gather consumption data in an under-electrified environment from multiple power sources, but we couldn't find what we wanted. So a year ago in my garage, we built the first grid meter prototype. Since then, we've generated $15,000 in revenue. By the end of March, we will have 50 paying commercial and residential clients, $40,000 in upfront revenue, among them notable names like AfriInvest, Andela, and Chicken Republic. Our clients are saving money on diesel, utility bills, prolonging the lifespans of their inverter batteries, and some are beginning to consider the shift towards solar power. We plan to work together with utilities to manage peak demand, payments, and improve overall grid performance. We're gathering the kind of high granularity data that initiatives like President Obama's Power Africa will require to succeed. Size of the market in Nigeria is $11 billion. 1/4 of that is monthly recurring revenue. And we're coming for Angola, Egypt, Algeria, and Libya, Africa's 4 next largest importers of generators.
Thank you, Grid Systems.
So just take us back through, you deploy these smart meters, and they essentially allow you to balance power more effectively and monitor what's going on. How do you make money from that?
We sell the device and we sell a monthly data subscription. So the device costs $500 and we charge a $35 monthly data subscription. That will go down with volume.
And how does somebody buying this $500 device think about the ROI on that? What's the payback period, and how do they generate the benefit to pay for a $500 device?
Well, we've saved over $1,000 in the past 3 months in my house, and the way we've done that, the system notifies you of peaks and valleys in your power consumption and allows you to stretch the time on your cheaper power sources like solar and the inverter, and reduce the time on the most expensive power source, the generator.
How much does a typical Nigerian household pay for power then?
That varies.
On a monthly basis. I mean, if you saved $1,000 in your household over 3 months, how big was your utility bill in the first place?
Well, I was spending that, I'm just talking about my savings.
Go ahead and finish.
On diesel. I used to spend $600 a month in diesel, and now I spend about $300. Utility bill is probably around $70 a month.
Thank you, Grid Systems.